When we spend a lot of time optimizing a refinement, we can save it as a preset so we can easily apply it to other datasets later on. Let me show you how to do this. First, I'm going to load a scan file and create a refinement project, and I'm using the rutile and zincite scans from one of the previous tutorials. So I go to open raw data file, I select my first scan, and I create a refinement project by using the Add Remove Phases dialog. First phase is rutile, second phase is zincite, and I'm using the RMS D8 ADS instrument. So now I have my refinement project, my control file, and I can run the refinement. And the fit is not very good. We have a profile mismatch and intensity mismatch as well. So I'm going to optimize my refinement of the rutile structure. That's a lot better. And now I want to keep this refinement strategy for later. So all I have to do is save it as a refinement preset. And I can do that from the project menu, save as refinement preset. I give it a name. And now it's saved. And in the refinement protocol, it shows the location where the preset was saved. If you get an error message because it cannot write at the location of the preset repository, I will show how to fix this at the end of this tutorial. So next time I open a similar dataset, for example the second one in the list, I don't have to create the refinement project manually and optimize the refinement of the rutile structure. Instead, I can just select the preset which is saved from the presets menu. That's the one with the icon with the star symbol. And I see my rutile zincite preset. I can choose to which projects I want to apply this preset. So now I have a precise and accurate reconstruction of the preset we just created before. I can run it. And it's using exactly the same optimizations of the rutile structure as we created before. I can also apply presets to batches, to a large number of datasets. So if I open all of the remaining datasets, I select the preset, I apply it to all open projects, and now I can just start my batch refinement and can process the whole list of datasets. If you get an error message when you try to save the preset, for example, as I'm getting it here, when I choose Save as Refinement Preset, call it Test, it says preset test could not be created. Please read the log file for further information. And down here in the refinement output, it says creating preset in C program files Profex presets test failed. It's because I don't have write access at this location. It's in the program files folder, and I would need administrator access to write my preset there. So in that case, we have to declare another location for presets, and we can do that in the preferences, repositories. And the location recommended on Windows by Microsoft for such kind of data is in C, users, the username, app data, roaming, and this is Profex specific. So we just create a new directory at this location. Users, select your name here, and then we have to write, because it's a hidden directory, app data, roaming, dublin.org, Profex. And here we can choose the presets directory. So at this location we have write access. So now save as refinement preset, test, and now it works. I can open the directories hosting the presets now from the locations menu. And this is the folder for the test preset. And these are the files belonging to this preset. And these are our instrument files and the modified structure files, the template used to create the refinement control file. And this is the actual preset file. And it's an XML file with references to the files needed to restore the preset. You can see that some of the files, the instrument files and the structure files have a checksum stored in the preset file. So this means if I modify one of these files for either on purpose or accidentally, and I save it. So next time I want to apply this preset from this menu here, I will get a warning, a checksum warning. The following files were modified, and I can choose to either continue anyway or to abort. This is just a safety feature protecting us from accidental or deliberate modification of the preset. This might be important in an accredited lab where we need to have some protection against modification of files. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you for the next one.